Welcome to today's edition of the AII, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Hey folks, Sam Mowers here, your host for the AII. Closing out this week, we've got news on Microsoft's partnering to close the AI skills gap and HP's acquisition of Cray, Inc. Then we'll take a look at some research on the growth of the AI and cybersecurity market. Microsoft, which is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol MSFT, has partnered with the education provider General Assembly to close the skills gap in artificial intelligence, cloud and data engineering, machine learning, data science, and more. The endeavor is expected to upskill and reskill 15,000 workers by 2022, creating a vast reserve of AI talent. Jake Schwartz, the CEO and co-founder of General Assembly, said, quote, "Artificial intelligence is driving the greatest disruption to our global economy since industrialization, and Microsoft is an amazing partner as we develop solutions to empower companies and workers to meet that disruption head on." At its core, GA, or General Assembly, has always been laser focused on connecting what companies need to the skills that workers obtain, and we are excited to team up with Microsoft to tackle the AI skills gap, end quote. Hewlett-Packard, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HPE, is set to acquire supercomputing company Cray, Inc., which is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol CRAY. The transaction is expected to close by the first quarter of fiscal 2020. Peter Ungaro, the president and CEO of Cray, said, quote, "HPE and Cray share a commitment to customer-centric innovation and a vision to create the global leader for the future of high-performance computing and AI. On behalf of the Cray Board of Directors, we are pleased to have reached an agreement that we believe maximizes value and are excited for the opportunities that this unique combination will create for both our employees and our customers," end quote. And new data gleaned from research and reports finds that the AI and cybersecurity market is expected to exhibit a compound annual growth rate of 31% from 2019 to 2025, according to Market Research News. An excerpt from the report coverage on the site Market Research News reads, quote, "The artificial intelligence and cybersecurity market for cloud deployment is growing at a high rate. Several businesses have already moved part of their operations to the cloud, which has led security vendors to develop cloud-based solutions as the data to be protected is on the cloud. Migrating to the cloud has benefits such as enhanced flexibility, control, and scalability. Cloud deployment significantly reduces the capital investment that is required to implement cybersecurity solutions. This is one of the major reasons for the increased demand for cloud-based cybersecurity from most enterprises," end quote. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.